Hey everyone, Sebastian here, back again with more math. This time it's more exponential equations, right? I'm just going to go over the quick tip that really simplifies your life when you're doing these, and then you'll be set. So the expression 2 to the x squared minus 9 is equal to 2 to the x minus m times 2 to the x plus m, right? What is m? So I think some people would try to think about the relationship overall, but since it's both 2 and 2, you can cancel them out, so you're going to get left with just x squared minus 9 equals x minus m, x plus m, right? And then when we have this, it's a difference of squares, so this, when we factor, would be x plus 3, x minus 3, so m equals 3, right? And that's all based on the fact that when the bases are the same, the exponents, if the whole thing is equal, then the exponents have to be equal to themselves. So we can just forget that they're exponents and just use them as individual equations. And now we're going to do another question like this that just ratchets it up a little bit, but uses the same technique and the same concept. Oh, and then just notice, right, the EQE-H-A, right, this category is when you have the same base and then you have equations in the exponents, right? So it's more complicated expressions, but the base is the same. You have to test, they're testing to see if you can work with that type of information. Okay, so in this one, the expression 2 to the 360 equals 8 to the 4x. What is x? So you want to think about how these can become the same base. In the last one, the bases were already made the same. This one, the bases are different. That's why it's not labeled as a EQE-H-A, because it's sort of testing something different, right? I haven't found the exact category for this one yet. But you would do 2 to the 360 equals 8 to the 4x. Here the exponents are simpler, but the bases aren't the same. So you have to remember 8 equals 2 cubed, right? Normally you go from the bigger base, try to make it into the smaller one. You don't necessarily have to. And you're going to plug the 2 cubed in for 8. So you're going to get 2 to the 360 equals 2 cubed to the 4x. So you're going to have 2 to the 360 equals 2 to the 12x, because a power to a power you multiply. So we can just forget about that, and we say 360 equals 12x, and then we divide by 12 and we get x equals 30. Okay, and that is all we have to do for this one. So again, it's about simplifying your life by knowing this technique of making the bases the same and then erasing them and just focusing on the exponents from there. If you can do that, you're going to be golden for these and other types of exponent questions. And if you have any ideas that you want to run by me on this, on maybe a different way to do it, or more questions of your own, feel free to ask them. Otherwise, I hope it is sunny where you are, and if it's raining, I hope it's cleaning your windows and watering your plants. And if it's snowing, I hope it is leaving a nice quiet blanket out on the grass. Talk to you soon. Bye.